So in the previous video we have seen how to create a radio buttons and set the values for the radio buttons. Now let us see how to get these values when let us execute this program. So like whenever we press like Python, there should be a value displayed. So let us see how to do it. So for this we know we have like command is equal to, let us say, mmm. For the second one also command is equal to mmm. We are calling the same method is equal to mmm. Now let us say command is equal to mmm. Now let us define a method which is mmm triple m, and inside that we will be just printing the values. So for that we should have to call the get function. That's all. Now let us execute this program. Now see, the default is the third one. Now if you press the Python, see here we are getting 1, Perl 2, C language 3, Ruby 4. So based on these numbers we can perform the actions. Let us see a small performance based on these numbers. Now instead of print, let me delete this. Let us add some functionality, like let us declare a variable. Let us say a is equal to v dot get. So whenever you are pressing, we are calling the method and the value is stored in this variable now. So now we can write condition like if a is equal to, inside the brackets, a is equal to 1. Now let us create one more window. So let us say a1 is equal to tk and a1 dot title, let us say Python. And now we can create labels, radio buttons inside these windows as per our requirement. I'll be just displaying a label, and inside first we should have to pass the a1, otherwise this will be applicable for the root. So for the a1, and the text is equal to welcome to Python programming. Let us give the font is equal to, let us say, anything as you wish. I am very fond of only Arial and italic. You can also give the bold one. Now everything is fine. Let me copy this and write for the other ones. Copy this and now press enter. Back L if a is equal to 2. Now we will be calling for 2. What is the choice we have given? Perl. Let us give the title Perl and here Perl programming. Like this we can write for everything. The rest is your assignment. Now end it. End if. Okay, now let us try to execute it first. No end, I think so. So now let us choose Python. See here, the window is displayed. So label is not displayed. Don't worry about that. There might be a small mistake. Now let us press the Perl. The Perl window is opened. Like this, according to our choices, we can choose our programs. So hope you understood how to make the choices and the radio buttons. So why it is not printing the label? So it is not printing the label because we have done a small mistake. We should have to pack, or you can use place or grid according to your comfort. Pack. Now execute it. Now let us see Python. There is one more error. Let us remove it quickly. It is not a1.pack. So let us create a variable called L1 is equal to, and here let us write L1. It should be the variable object.pack. A1 is not the object of label. That's why the error. Or we can write it here itself .pack. So same thing we will do here. L1 is equal to, and here we will give L1. Now everything should run fine. So now let us see. Welcome to Python programming. Perl. Welcome to Perl programming. Like this, we haven't written anything for the C and Ruby. So hope you understood the concept how to use the radio buttons. So keep practicing. Meet you in the next video with the another concept.